Meaning of erotica.
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 Erotica. The term erotica refers to artistic or literary works, such as books, films, or photographs, that focus on the depiction of sexual desire and activity in a tasteful and aesthetically pleasing manner. Unlike pornography, which often emphasizes explicit and graphic sex acts solely for their arousal value, erotica aims to titillate its audience while also exploring themes of love, romance, and human sexuality in a nuanced and intelligent way. Ultimately, the goal of erotica is to stimulate the imagination and inspire a sense of sensuality and intimacy in its viewers or readers.